Thina eSwatini sinenkosi bazalwane.
We have a king in Eswatini,
Kodwa le nkosi lesinayo
but the king that we have,
uNkulunkulu wadelegate nje amandla akhe.
God just gave him his power.
Wamboleka amandla ukuthi singamniketa nalento lesiniketa le nkosi.
He borrowed him that we can honor him as we do to the
Manje
king.
ingako nasimelana namhla.
That is why as we stand here
Sithi
today,
kude lofanana naye
we say there is no one like our God.
ingani lwandle luyamlalela.
Even the ocean obeys
Emfula
him.
iJordani nayo
Even
iyamlalela.
River Jordan obeys him.
Mbani longalinganiswa nana
Who
inkosi
can
nayo.
be likened against him?
Legcwele umusa kanjalo neluthando.
He is full of mercy and
Mbani
love.
longafaniswa nana inkosi
Who
nayo.
can be likened to this king?
Lengena la kuthiwa kungenwa
He
khona.
enters when nobody
Mbani
enters.
longalinganiswa nana inkosi
Who
nayo.
can be likened to this king?
Lekuthiwa ngiyo ekuqaleni ngiyo nasekugcineni.
He's the one yesterday and
Mbani
even
longafaniswa nana
after.
inkosi nayo.
Who is like this king?
Lekuthiwa kuyawendlulela izulu nemhlaba.
Heaven and earth will pass,
Kodwa iyawuhlala njalo solo
but
imini.
he will remain forever.
Athi lo bhalayo emehlo ayavutha
The
amalanga
one who
emini.
rises, his eyes are fire.
Athi Davide ngubani loyo onyukela entabeni
Then
yasimaka.
David says, who will rise upon the
Athi
mountain
nguloyo
of God?
tanda takhe letinkhweni.
He's the one whose hands are holy.
Athi Davide vulekani masango.
Open up, O ye gates,
Ingene inkosi
so
yenkazimulo.
that the King of glory may come.
Ingibani kanti le nkosi
That
yenkazimulo.
the King of glory may
IJehova
come.
igama lakhe.
He's Jehovah.
Wayekhona umhlaba
He
ungakasekeli.
was there before the
Sigodlo
end.
sengumnyama siyayazi le nkosi.
The gates of hell know
Igodlo
this king.
zasemhlabeni siyayazi le
Even
nkosi.
the kings of the earth know
Sigodlo
this
zasezulwini
king.
siyayazi le
The
nkosi.
kingdom of heaven knows
Ubani
the king.
longaphakamela endaweni
Who will
lekhwele.
rise on the holy place?
Sisho njalo ezaphama.
We are saying this
Sithi
evening.
bayethe kuwe.
Bayethe.
Ekuseni masivukako.
When we walk
Sithi
out,
bayethe kuwe.
we say bayethe
Ngesikhathi
kuwe.
sisho njalo.
When we say that,
Izulu liqhuqa
the
ngemadolo.
heavens they bow.
Bathi bayethe
They
kuye.
say Hosanna.
Akazange asakehluleka.
He never fails.
Bayethe kuye.
Hosanna.
Longena la kungangenwa
Who
khona.
enters when nobody enters?
Bayethe kuye.
Hosanna.
Labaphuka ngamadolo abo.
They kneel on their
Bakhanda
knees.
sakulokunye.
They pray.